Hey, do you want to solve a Rubik's Cube? Are you overwhelmed by super overcomplicated Rubik's Cube tutorials? Then friend, you have found the right place. Since today, we'll go through the easiest out-free Rubik's Cube tutorial series that even a 7-year-old could understand. Hi, the Epic Cuber Andrew here, and welcome to my beginner series where I show my own out-free Rubik's Cube tutorial series. And if you haven't checked out my first video, make sure to click over here. And if you need to fix your own Rubik's Cube, also click over here. And don't forget to subscribe. And let's jump into the video. In the 7th step, corner flipping, make sure you finish the second layer. So second layer finished. Finish the columns so we can see all the columns are finished. And also put the corners in the correct spot so we can see all the corners are in the correct spot. Again, before we go on and solve the 7th step, first of all, solve the second layer, the columns, and also put the corners in the correct spot. Okay, to solve a corner with corner flipping, we're going to put it at the front right, okay? So this one, for example, it's at the front and right, okay? And what we're going to do is really simple. So, you're going to do down, bottom, then left, and up, right. So bottom right, down, left, up, right. That's like down, left, up, right. Those 4 moves. You're going to do it until you can see on the top, the corner is kind of solved. You can see we kind of have a mess over here. And now, after you solve this corner, this is really important that you don't do anything, okay? So don't turn the cube like this. Don't move the middle layer, the bottom layer, extra. Only turn the top layer up. Now you're gonna turn the top layer until a new corner is at the front right, okay? So only the top. Don't do anything else or you will screw up. Okay, so down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. And don't forget to do right at the end. Some people, they forget to do the right. You can see we solved another corner. And again, we don't want to do anything, so don't turn the middle or do anything or turn the whole Rubik's Cube around. So bring corner to the front right. Down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right. Now, this corner is correct, okay? So you can see it's correct. Again, really important again, don't move anywhere except from the top. So don't even turn the cube. So only turn the top, and then after the corner's in the front right, then you do the down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down. Okay, actually, we're done. So you can see it's done. And now you align and make sure everything's done and you're good. Okay, so let's do 3 example solves. So in this case, first of all, I see these 2. So I'm going to put 1 in the front and right, okay? And I'm going to do down, left, up, right. So down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. This corner is solved, so let me turn the top. Okay, remember, only turn the top. Don't turn anywhere, and don't rotate the cube. So, let's solve this corner. Down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. Okay, let's align. Okay, this is done. In this case, there are 2 corners not solved. I'm going to put this corner in the front right. Okay, now I'm going to do down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. It's solved. So now I'm going to only turn the top. So only turn the top layer. Don't do anything. Don't rotate the cube. Turn the top. Now this corner is at the front right. So let's do down, left, up, right. down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right. Now line, done. In this case, there are 4 corners unsolved, and conveniently, this corner is right at the front right, so I'm going to solve it. So down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right. And I'm going to turn. I'm going to solve this one. So I'm only turn the top. Down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right. Now, this is also solved. So let me turn the top. This corner is not solved. Down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right. Okay, this corner is solved now. So let's turn the top. Last corner, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right. It's solved. That's line. It's good. Great job! You solved the Rubik's Cube and definitely practice it a few times so you don't forget the last step. And if you found this video helpful, maybe consider subscribing and hit a like button. And this is Epic Cuber. Bye!